Welcome to our video series on how to get started with Omega LockSync. This video, I'm going to show you how to create a quote for your customer. So the first thing you want to do is enter in the zip code of the customer that's giving you your call. When you do a search, the system is going to give you the different locations that you have set up with Omega LockSync to be able to service this customer. We'll go ahead and just choose van number 1. Next, you want to go ahead and do the year, make, model search for the customer's vehicle. In this example, I'll go ahead and use a 2021 Ford F-150. And once you click search, you will get the Key Innovations catalog, and you will have everything that's correlated to a 2021 Ford F-150. If you have anything in your local stock, you will see that on the availability column, as well as the quantity that you have in stock. And then you can also trim down your search right here if you needed to. So you can see the different product types. You can see the different conditions of keys that you want to go ahead and sell, whether it's new, aftermarket, branded aftermarket, premium aftermarket, and so on. And then you can also choose the different brands that you want to go ahead and select as well. So I'll go ahead and just trim this search for just proximity keys. So as you can see, once you trim the search down to just proximity keys, that's all you'll be able to see. You'll have the picture of the key in this column. You'll have the SKU number in this column, and then the 0 and the red indicates that you don't have anything in stock. You get the description right here, the availability column, the type, the condition of the key, the brand, how many buttons it has, and then what your net cost would be if you wanted to purchase this through Key Innovations. In this example, I'll just go ahead and just choose this 5-button 4 key right here, the keyless to go. Some of the different things that you may see on this screen is going to be obviously the picture of the key. You'll get the year, make, model of what key this goes to. You'll see what's available to purchase in the Key Innovations warehouse. You'll get the button configuration, which is nice because you'll be able to ask the customer how many buttons and what configuration did you have on your key fob. You'll have all of the OEM part numbers, the OEM FCC the IC for Canada, and then the Key Innovations product ID here. You'll also get the chip ID, the battery type, and the frequency. And then when you select this drop-down menu here, these are going to be all of the different labor service items that you want to go ahead and sell this customer. So we already selected the key. The next thing you want to do is select what services that you're going to perform for this job. So for this example, we'll go ahead and just choose an all keys lost service, a standard key cut fee, as well as a programming fee. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and create the job. I'm just going to scroll all the way to the top here. Once you have job created, you'll have what CSR or which dispatcher is going to be selling this job. Once you have that information up here, and make sure that you have the right location selected, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to the billing and pricing section. So the system is going to default to a retail customer. As you see, this retail customer has a retail pricing profile. But in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and just select one of my customers. You can just start typing in a customer name, and that'll automatically start populating the account details. And then one thing that you'll notice is after selecting this account, you'll notice that the pricing profile had changed to a wholesale pricing. And then you can just scroll down. You'll get the customer's data here. You can also create the appointment from the screen if you wanted to. You have the vehicle information right here. And then you'll have your invoice items. So you'll want to just confirm the key that you're selling and the services that you're performing. If you needed to change the price on the fly, just keep in mind this is going to be your net cost from if you ordered this key. But if you wanted to just go ahead and charge a different price for that, you can easily just change the prices on the fly. And if you need to add in any items that you may have forgotten, you can just select this drop down right here and add in any of these items, select whatever item, and then just go ahead and add that to the invoice. As you scroll down, You can also add different tags to this job. So if it's a first time job, if it's a same day job, or if it's a new dealer job, you can just add in these tags that will go down to the technician that's going to perform the work. You just want to scroll down, and then once you click Save Job, that will save your job. And if you click over to your job screen, you'll have a list of all the different jobs that you have in the queue. So in the next video, I'll show you how to create the appointment, how to order parts, and then how to go out, how to dispatch out to the job. If you have any questions on how to complete or how to do this process, please feel free to reach out to your Omega LockSync account manager. I will be more than happy to help you out.